Here I'm going to share how you can get the refurbished MacBook Pro 13-inch and how you can buy it at cheap prices, or this or MacBook are refurbished or you can say second hand. You can easily buy from an official website apple.com, and I'll share an alternative of this website where you can get this MacBook at cheap rate too. So which are those websites? Before starting this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this and watch my all videos. I'll share mostly coupon code and second hand or a refurbished product for you guys which is genuine and value for money. So let's go for it. This all are the MacBook Pro 13-inch and you can buy this from this website. I'll give you the link of this website in the description. You can simply click on that link and you will visit in this website and you can simply buy which MacBook you want. Okay, so you can simply buy it from here. And let's go to the second website. The second website is blackmarket.com/refurbished MacBook Pro.html. I'll give you the link in the description. Okay, so you can check it from here. So first of all, this is the MacBook Pro Retina 13.3-inch at $527. Okay, you will get also a warranty of 12 months. You can simply buy it from here. Okay, and you can also watch reviews from here if you have any doubt, and you can watch reviews too from a YouTube. And you can, what you need to do is simply just visit this website. I'll give you this two website link in the description. You can simply visit this website and get this MacBook Pro. So please check it out if you want any refurbished MacBook Pro 13-inch. So hope this is for you. You can buy it from here. If you have any doubt, please comment down below and hit a like, because it takes time to find this type of website which is genuine and giving you what you want. So hope you like this. Thanks for watching.